You're looking good.
Probably even slides better, doesn't it?
I can see the nose now. It's not that hard. I mean, like, I just restarted. I clicked the trim too far down.
No, once you get it warmed up, they'll start right up. It's just that initial...
I just let it sit for an hour.
Yeah, well, my DA's the same way. I gotta choke it and then I'll
I meant to make a choke lever, but since today was so nice, it took the last few days trying to get the thing finished. I finished enough to fly.
Can you give me a low pass?
Not electric. No bad, baby.
Find your way?
No, it's fine. I'm all clean outside now.
No, it's not gonna quit. You've seen what I do to mine. It ain't gonna quit. What's nice is it's not changing RPM in any attitude. See if you can hover it up there. How was it?
Not that much throttle. Keep climbing.
How many flights is this, John? Second flight. There you go. Yes, I like that you're being careful.
I flew that second time when you were laying the ultimate. I got 3 or 4 tanks through it. I'm so worried about the thing dying on me. Low pass.
Alright, low pass. It's only the second flight on this plane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so he's being jump. So he's being. This is what he calls careful.
Easier.
Yeah.
The thing's so huge compared to the other.
Size doesn't matter, is that what you're trying to tell me?
It's so easy to see and it flies really 10 times easier. I guess it means this is low rate.
How much time do you have on this? No, alright. Do some of that pilot stuff. God, I hate that gas nitro crap.
It sounds different.
Yeah.
How much time do you get with a full tank of that?
Probably 10, 12 minutes.
That's about what you get on the battery?
No, I get 2.
You get 2 minutes?
I get 2 minutes.
Most electric you get 10 minutes still. It depends on the type of plane.
Yeah. And if I could learn a little throttle management, that would help.
You've lost full throttle.
Yeah.
two-stroke motors, or?
It's two-stroke.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty nice little field.
So you just got that plane? Or you just got the motor? How many channel is that unit for that plane?
I'm using 7 channels for this one. You can get away with 6.
Nice having that much time in that with the gas.
Yeah.
See, I prefer gas.
Yeah. There are definite
Advantages.
Definite advantages.
Well, there's nitro and then there's gas.
Yeah.
This is actually gas.
Yeah.
It's actually car gas.
Well, the nitro, you can run the jets in that, and you're really flying. Now, what's the range of this when it gets away from you, where you can't control it?
The range is a few miles.
Is it really?
You're gonna lose visual orientation before you lose. Try to land right there.
You got crosswind.
Thing is, I've only landed this plane from that way.
Good job. So you'd rather land it on the grass?
I land on the grass because I got the idle set high.
Oh.
On the pavement, on the pavement and idle it wants to creep. So like there's idle right there. See how it's creeping. And I got the idle high because it's a new engine.
Right. Trying to break it in?